Hey, hi. So this is the application called Secure She. Basically, this is a kind of alert system that can be used by any person, like women, men, anyone can use it. So this is the application which basically provide a facility to send alert message to emergency contact. Okay, whenever you are feel ki you are not safe at particular location or somewhere, so you can just shake the phone and it will send the alert message to mention emergency contacts as well as police station. Okay, so to start the application, first you need to do a register. Whenever you first time start the application, first you have to create account. Okay, and then you can do a login with the same credential, and once you logged in, then next time you no need to do the login again. Okay, it will automatically store the session data and it will work. Okay, so this is the home page. First, whenever you use the application first time, first you have to do mention your emergency contacts and remaining information. You have to go to profile section, and then you have to mention your three emergency contacts, your location information, your address, like home address, your blood group, an email id, and etc. So that whenever it will send or detect the alert and send the alert message to emergency contact, so that they can get to know about your details. Okay, or police station can identify you. Okay, it will send the your location and information in alert message. Okay, and to start the alert system, first you have to go to home page, and then here you have to click to start tracking button. Okay, so let me click to start tracking button. So here you can see there are some parameters which we are calculating, like g-force, speed, pressure, sound. Based on this parameter, we are, so as of now I am speaking very loudly. That's why the sound is getting detected in very high dB format. Okay, so that's why it is detecting the alert. Okay, so let me just start the tracking, and I'll stop speaking and I'll just shaking my phone. Okay, so as you can see right now I have started the tracking. Okay, and right now my phone is stable, and now I'm going to shake my phone. Okay, and you just do the notice the sensor value changes. Okay, so as you can see right now my sound frequency is around 70. Okay, but when I shake my phone it will get changed. Okay, so as you can see, so as you can see it has detected the emergency has detected because I have checked the phone multiple times. And basically let it finish the 30 seconds. Okay, so it is wait for the timer complete. Okay, it complete the timeout. So as you can see timeout has completed. Okay, because see I have given 30 second uh, time period, because see sometimes can be happen, right, ki by mistakenly you shake the phone and it just detect ki you have shake the phone, it will send the alert. That will be uh, incorrect, right? Sometime you walk and the mobile got shaked, right? So that time can be possibility ki you have not shake the phone but alert message can send, right? So there I have added the validation ki I have given one notification. If user cancel the notification within 30 seconds, then it will do not send the alert message. But if you don't cancel the particular alert in 30 seconds, then it will send the alert message. That's why I have given the alert message. As you can see I have got the message ki there is a emergency, person with name Sahil met with accident and blood group did this, live location and address. So it will automatically send all this information. But you need to make sure whenever you start the application you have to allow all the permissions, then only it will work, otherwise not. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. You can also reset the password and you can do a logout. Okay, and there is a police module as well. I have added police module too. Okay, so to log in as a police you have to type this email id police@gmail.com, and password will be 123456, and you have to do login. Once you do logged in, so in the application police will get the activities, all the accidents or emergencies. So here is the key I have just created one alert, right? One, I have just checked my phone. So as you can see, I have police can check the information about the person, and if he is now safe, then he can, then police can update the status. Otherwise they can go to the direction, that particular location. If user clicks, if police clicked safe, that means person is safe, and that will be visible in all emergencies. Pending will be come in recent, and all will be come in all accident. Okay, in recent only the pending activities will show. Okay, whatever accident has detected, that will shown here. Okay, and whatever accident has detected and resolved, that will show here. Okay, so this way we have done your application. Okay, so yeah, do let me know in case any doubt. Thank